Think tire pressure doesn't matter? Well, what if I told you that underinflated tires could be costing you more money every time you hit the gas? Let's talk about how a few missing PSI could be draining your wallet. All right, it's easy to forget about tire pressure, but here's the thing. Driving with low tire pressure means your car's engine has to work harder, and that burns more fuel. Let's break down why keeping your tires properly inflated makes a big difference. So here's the deal. When your tires are underinflated, they create more rolling resistance. Basically, they don't roll as smoothly on the road. That means your engine has to push harder just to keep you moving. More effort means more fuel consumption. Think of it like riding a bike with flat tires. You have to pedal harder to go the same distance. Same thing happens with your car. Here's a fun fact for you. Studies show that driving with tires just 10% underinflated can reduce your fuel efficiency by up to 2%. Doesn't sound like much? Over time, that adds up, especially with today's gas prices. Plus, low tire pressure can wear your tires out faster, meaning you'll have to replace them sooner. Double the cost. So, the takeaway? Check your tire pressure regularly and keep them at the recommended PSI. It's an easy way to save on fuel and make your tires last longer. Want more easy car tips to keep your ride smooth and your wallet happy? Hit subscribe and stick around for more.